Hello guys, hope you're doing fine. Well, guys, I've been recording videos all evening, so I thought why not give a little treat to you and give you a video showing our breakdown, showing some trades we got from the week. This week, guys, it has been insane, and I actually have some topics, really important ones that I actually want to show you regarding obviously risk management, etc. So without further ado, let's get inside the market, okay, guys? So first things first, let's just talk about the macro. So what I'm watching inside the macro one, gold, okay? This is the pair you already know I trade the most. So updating you on price, guys. I know I haven't made videos in a while, so this will actually be a really important video, okay? So if we put the Fibonacci retracement tool, we can see that now not only did we come to the 61.8 level, okay, for the people who saw my video about the Fibonacci retracement levels, right? Not only that, but we closed below the 50% range. And this is exactly what happened before for the price to come and obviously make the continuation of the move down, okay? And this was the first point. Obviously, the second one for me to be bearish is obviously we changed the trend on a daily time frame. So obviously we have a high, we have a low, we have a lower high, and we have a lower low. And now potentially we can just make the continuation on the move, okay, guys? So basically that's it. We had this Fibonacci retracement level, and now we are reacting down, but nevertheless we are still in a really sensitive area, since obviously we are in the 50% of the Fibonacci. Now we had the double touch, now we are having a small retracement, okay? And what do I expect from here? Just for you guys to see, obviously we had the heads and shoulder pattern. So this is a pattern we utilize inside our strategy. So we have in the 4 hour time frame shoulder, head, shoulder, and we had all these move down, right? And we had actually this accumulation area so that the price it can continue to make its move down. And now what I was expecting, guys, and what I'm expecting still until now, and is if we do manage to break this demand zone, I generally believe we can retest at least here the shoulder line, okay? The shoulder line is here, but maybe the neckline, okay? If we do break the neckline, guys, for us it's just a continuation on the move, and this is just a small retracement. It will all depend, guys, on how we react here on the 50%, because obviously we had the double touch and we closed below, which obviously gives me strength to keep selling, okay? Even though we just got this amazing bullish side move today, okay? So this was the trade from today, just for you guys to understand, okay? We got all this trade from our community. I'll explain in a second. And obviously we had this bearish candle as well, okay? For you guys to understand that this is a topic really a really important one, guys, just updating you on the market. It has been happening, like from the last week has been happening something really interesting. I find this really interesting because I trade mainly London and obviously Asia session, as you guys know, and New York session, guys, has been so bad to trade. You have no idea. Like this week, obviously our part of our business partners here inside of Zenith, they went to Colombia to a big trip to make like one of the biggest partnerships to our company, right? And obviously because of the schedule there, now I'm responsible for the New York session. And guys, I gotta tell you, New York session is so bad to trade nowadays, guys, because what has been happening is literally the Asia session or the London session starts the move, then the New York session either makes a continuation on it or it just doesn't do nothing, guys. So like, for example, guys, today, just for you guys to understand, we had this amazing break of structure. So just for you guys to see, we caught this trade right on the Asia session. So we had the break, we manipulated down. I did not enter, I waited. As soon as we had the bullish engulfing candle breaking, we entered again and we got this amazing buy right here, and we actually got out at 69. It was an amazing buy. But then come the New York session, I'm obliged, obviously, if we want to trade like more scalping trades, to make continuation of the move trades. So what do I mean? So for example, the trade we got from the session was this one, okay? So obviously we had the breakup, we had the retest on the 50% continuation. As soon as we had this retest on the EMA and I saw this green candle being followed by a green one, obviously I wanted to enter here, but it was so fast I only managed to enter up here. But nevertheless, stop loss at the bottom of the candle, we managed to get a 1-to-1 risk to reward, okay? So this was an amazing trade as well. Another point, guys, and the other thing that New York session has been doing, and this is a really important lesson I gave to our students, guys, because when the market does this kind of things, guys, it's really like easy for you to just lose all your profits in a matter of seconds if you use stop loss. So this is the magic of our strategy if you not utilize stop loss. So as you can see, we had two confirmations to break down and we had two stop losses, right? So one confirmation go down, we got back up. Two confirmations go down, we got stop loss, okay? So if you follow our strategy with the stop loss, you get stop loss. But here's what you have to understand, guys. It's not because price has reacted that it has rejected the area. What you have to do in these kinds of scenarios, guys, and I've seen New York session like this 1,000 times, guys. You only have to wait. That's the thing. Let me just put, just for me to not lose the region. So right here, okay, just for me to go to the 15-minute time frame just for you to see. What do I do in this kind of scenarios, guys? It's pretty simple, okay? So all you have to do is identify the supply and demand, okay? In this case, obviously we have this supply and you mark it down, right? So we have this region right here. So this is the key region, okay? So this is the key region. Second thing, what's the daily time frame trend? Obviously, as I told you, we are bearish, and actually we confirmed the sell on the daily time frame, okay? How did we confirm the sell? We had this bullish engulfing, we had the false break, the price rejected making a bearish engulfing candle, then the next one came and broke the wick. For me, this is a clear confirmation to sell. So this is the second point, okay? Going back, guys, and so obviously we'll be looking more for sells than to buys, okay? And bearing in mind that New York session makes a lot of manipulations, right, and comes to our stop loss again, all you have to do is wait, guys, because even though he actually broke this high, it did not close above the area, and you have to wait. You have to let at least the 15-minute candle close above the area, okay? If not, for example, this is what we did inside our community, and I told inside the live session, guys, open your sell, okay, and wait. Okay, yes, the stop loss obviously on top of the candle was here, and you would have got stop loss if you utilize it. But I said, guys, if you have big account, just let the trade run, and only close your trade if we have a 15-minute candle. At least if you don't want to hold the supply, at least hold until this high, okay? So if we have a candle closing above this high, you can clearly close your sell position. And guys, look at this. We have the liquidity sweep, and boom, the price is distributed. And if you follow this trade, you would have made amazing profit. So in our community, guys, results have been crazy. We got this amazing buy, we got this move right here, we got this sell if you did not use stop loss, guys. So it was amazing, okay? So going back to gold and what I'm expecting right now, obviously, guys, again, I'm going to be honest with you, a continuation on the bearish trend, okay? But it will all depend if we do manage to break the 50% range, okay? So now I'm expecting, especially since this correction right here, maybe we can still go to the EMAs. If we do have a daily candle closing above this high, I'm confident we can retest the neckline. If not, guys, if we do have just a small correction and a break on the 50%, guys, I genuinely believe we'll keep going. And as I'm telling you guys constantly, just come and get the 50% on the weekly time frame, okay? Which is, let me just trace the Fibonacci just for you, and come catch right here at least to the 3,800 mark, okay? So this is my analysis. This was the video, so a pretty quick one just for you guys, just passing you a bit of mindset, just passing you a bit of the trades you got, some things that I taught my community, right? And yeah, guys, this is it. If you want to follow our community, it's 100% free, okay? All you have to do is comment me, I'll text you directly, okay? It's literally 100% free. All you have to do is have a deposit of minimum $200 inside a broker that is our partner, okay? That money you are not just spending or paying for anything, it's just the money you'll trade to follow the trades, to go to the live sessions, okay, guys? So comment there on the comments if you want to know more about our community, and see you in the next one. Let's get it.